Hi, to charge your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Active, as a first step, take this charging cable which goes in a complect with the device. So you can see that here is this USB end and this magnetic dot. So we just need to plug this end into a USB power source such as a computer USB port, a USB wall charger, or a power bank, something like that. So that is what I'm gonna do now. And now about these magnetic dots. So if we take a close look on the back part of the band, we'll see here these two magnetic dots as well. So we just need to connect them together like that, connect these two dots and that two dots. So you just need to take your charging cable and put it like on the right side, and in that case it will connect automatically, really simple and easy. And here you will see this animation that your band is charging now. But if you just put it on the left side and try to connect, nothing will happen because it simply does not fit due to the magnetic structure. So we just need to place it in the right position like that, and now everything is working. So the charging time from 0 to 100% is about 2 hours, and once your band is fully charged, you can just unplug it and it's ready to be used. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.